Good morning, everybody. This is Matador again from freetradingvideos.com. It's now Thursday the 18th of June, and we're seeing a little bit of a pop-up here at 8:30 news, probably due to the better than expected initial claims numbers. We'll see what those are in a second. And very, very small. So after a bit of a sell-off here after the close and pre-market, you can see all that action. Here's that little pop-up here at 8:30. So again, just kind of filling this gap from yesterday at the end of trading. And so the whole day yesterday, we talked about that in the chat room. Here's a scrunched up version of it. Sell off, rally back up, only to come all the way back down. So pretty volatile day actually, although it traded in a very, very small range. We'll see if today can do any better, at least on the bull side. I would say that we have definitely had a little bit of a chink in the armor now. If you look at the weekly, or the daily, excuse me, here's a nice high base we've been talking about. Beautiful sell-off right to the 200 MA, which we were talking about in the chat room as it happened. Rising 50 MA, all the things we talked about in the noon video. And very, very smart to see and not trade short into necessarily all this support back in here, although it was a good test. So today, if we get more action basing on its low, we could get another run for the low side, or if we make higher swing lows all day, we might be testing some of this overhead resistance away. If I had to fix these numbers now to match, great resistance there around number 94, that's a big one. This 94.20 area was pretty significant for a while. Now I would put that as a gap fill back up to the 95 area. I've had to fine tune that, and of course this is going to remain. And then we have that high at 96. So good resistances on the way back up. This is a good one right in here now. All right, there you go. Good support. Little support here also. We'll just drop that one in. After that, that remains. This is a good one. So there we are. So those are your support and resistances intact. We'll see how the market take those apart. That's a 60-minute chart. They would remain the same as well on a 15 or any other time frame, but just watch those closely on the way back up and on the way down. So that's what we're looking at today. Always, of course, look for confirmation on the long or short side with all your market internals. You guys have been doing a great job of that. Been seeing that in the chat room a lot, even watching the bank, things like this. So very good. That's where I see in the morning. See what we are doing now, but nice little pop up here, even testing this gap post-market. So we'll see where we open and watch how the gap fills if there is one, and again that'll give you a good sentiment read into the day. So I'll talk to you around noon. Take care everybody and trade well.